Hi guys, my name is Jesslyn and this video is about multiplying polynomials. I taught you in a video before how to multiply binomials with FOIL. I'm also going to teach you a different way to multiply binomials called with an area model. And the reason why is because FOIL gets kind of difficult and distributive property way gets kind of difficult as well when you're multiplying 4 terms by 4 terms. An area model is easy way to keep it organized. So I'm going to start with doing it just with a binomial. Yes, I know FOIL is pretty easy with a binomial, but I just want to teach you the area model with a binomial. So we have 3x minus 5 and then 5x plus 2. So with a area model, what you're going to do is you're going to draw like a little square thing, well not square, but just like a little table, and you're going to put your terms. So 3x, negative 5, and then 5x, and positive 2. So something like that. So if it has a minus sign in it, you take the operation, just kind of like we've talked in a ton of videos, you take the operation that's before the number. So positive 3x, negative 5, positive 5x, and a 2. So what you want to do is kind of like a multiplication chart. So in this one, you're going to be, because 3x and 5x, they both meet at this square. So that's what you're going to multiply. 3 times 5 is 15x. And then in this square, if you go up, it's negative 5. You go to that way, it's 5x. So that's what you're going to be multiplying together. 5x times negative 5 is a negative 25x. And then in this case, this square is, if you go up, it's 3x, there's 2. So this square is 3x and 2. So 3x times 2 is 6x. And then in this square, it's negative 5 times 2, which is negative 10. And then in this case, these in the middle here, all you're going to do is add like terms if they have them, okay? So 15, that's 15x squared. Sorry about that, 15x squared, because 3x times 5x is x squared. 15x squared, so 15x squared does not have a like term, so we just rewrite it. And then if you notice, 6x and negative 25x, what you're going to do is add everything within this middle, okay? So 6x plus negative 25 is a negative 19, so minus 19x. And then if you notice, most of the time the like terms are diagonal from each other. It doesn't always work all the time, but most of the time it does. And then we have a negative 10, so minus 10. So that's how you use the area model to multiply. And it really works when you get more than 2 terms. Okay, so let's do an example of 2x minus 5 times x squared minus 5x plus 4. So here we're doing a binomial multiplied by a trinomial, so an area model will work pretty well here. So I am going to draw this, and it doesn't matter which polynomial you put up top, and it doesn't matter. I am going to put it 2x and then minus 5. And then the other ones are x squared minus 5x and 4. So again, here's how you set it up. I chose to write this one here. So the first term is 2x, the second term is negative 5. And then on this polynomial, we have x squared, negative 5x, and 4. And now we're just going to fill in these squares. So this square right here tells us x squared and 2x. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. You have to know your exponent property rules. Go and watch that video if you don't remember them. You add the exponents. This square is negative 5x and 2x, so that would be negative 10x squared. Ooh, that's a funky 2. X squared. And then over here we have 4 times 2x, so 4 times 2x is 8x. And then this one we have x squared and negative 5, so that would be negative 5x squared. this one, go up, negative 5x, go over here, negative 5. Negative 5x times negative 5 is 25x. And then this square, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. And then remember what we do with the middle terms, or the terms in the middle? We just add them all together. So 2x cubed, there's not another x cubed, so that just goes down. You can even mark it out after you use it, so you know you've used it. Here's an x squared, here's an x squared, so negative 5 plus a negative 10. Remember, we're adding everything in this. Negative 5 plus a negative 10 is a negative 15x squared. And I'm not going to write plus a negative, I'm just going to write minus 15x squared. And then we have 25x and 8x, so 25x plus 8x is 33x. So 33x. So there we go. And then we just have minus 20. So we just do minus 20. And you can apply this method to anything. Your squares are going to get bigger, but just know this is how you do an area model with anything. Thank you for watching. Bye.